Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy website with Wix. The first thing you want to do is go onto Wix.com. From there, you can create an account using your email address. After creating your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. And with Wix, it is beginner friendly and easy to use. So once you have tapped on Create New Site, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. Once you have done that, on the search bar you can type in whatever type of website you would like to create, whether it is an online store, whether it is a personal website, or a business website. For example, if you are a lawyer, you can type in lawyer and you can see different options. If you're a landscaper and you'd like to create a website for your business, you could type in landscaper and you'll be able to create a website just like that. So once you have selected the type of website, you'll tap on continue. Then you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Now, once on your dashboard, the first thing you're going to be prompted to do is name your website. After naming your website, if for example you're creating a website for your business, you can put in your business address. Then you'll tap on continue, and this is where you'll be able to set your schedule or your default working hours. After doing that, you'll tap on continue once more, and you can select the services that you would like to offer. So when it comes onto Wix Website Builder, they provide you with different templates that makes it easy to create a professional looking website even if you're just getting started. So these are some sample suggestions of services based on the type of website that you say you want to create. You can also input your staff member's name, then tap on continue, and we could choose to accept payments online and in person. Then tap on continue once more and you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you could go over to the left-hand menu option, and depending on the apps that you have chosen, you will see them right here. For example, I could hover over mine at the moment since I'm creating a business website and select Catalog. After selecting Catalog, we could select any one of the services and we could change the image. Scrolling down, you can change the duration and you can also change the price. Then you'll tap on Save in the top right-hand corner. After doing that, to set up how you'll get paid, you can tap on Getting Paid from the top left-hand corner. Once here, you can tap on Connect Payment Method, and depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. Keep in mind any other payment method that you connect. Otherwise, from PayPal, you'll need to go on their paid plan. So for example, if I were to change my location to Canada, for example sake, I'll see more payment options, but I would need to go onto the Wix paid plan. So you can see I'll be able to accept payments via Wix. Tap on see more payment options, and from there I can also accept payment with Klarna and other payment providers. But keep in mind you'll need to go on the Wix paid plan. After setting up the payment methods, if that is what you'd like to do, you'll tap on set up in the top left hand corner. And from here, you can use the Wix AI to create content for you if you want, but we'll close that, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Then you can continue editing your website. When it comes down to Wix, it is quite straightforward to edit. You'll simply tap on the section you want to edit, tap on Quick Edit, and from there you can make changes, just like that. If you wanted to change the text here, you could tap on the text. So let me do that real quick. Then tap on Change Text, and you could change the text to whatever you want. You can change the images. By selecting the image, you will see the option Quick Edit once more, and you can tap on that. From the right hand column, you could select change and you could change the image, change the title, change the button text also, and by tapping on link, you can also change where the button redirects person to. And if it is a case you like to add a button or any element to your website, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, which is add elements. And when it comes on to Wix, all you'll need to do is drag and place it wherever you want. So let's say for example, I would like to add a button. I could hover over a button and I can drag and place the button wherever on my website, as you can see right there. It's as easy as that to add a button or any element to your website. To add pages to your website, you'll tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is Pages and Menu. Then you'll tap on Add Page, and from here you can see different page templates that you can choose from. or you can choose to add a blank page. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Publish in the top right hand corner and your website will now be live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.